Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is absent. 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 Absent is an adjective that describes the state of being away or not present. It's used to indicate the absence of a person or thing in a particular location or situation. Here are some examples. Example number 1, she was absent from school today due to illness. Why absent use in example number 1? In this example, absent is used to describe her physical state of not being present at school due to illness. Example number 2, the defendant was declared absent from the court proceedings. Why absent use in example number 2? In this example, absent is used to indicate the legal status of the defendant not being present during the court proceedings. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.